Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're taking a deep dive into Goodyear, Arizona real estate.
Yeah, we're going to sort through all the craziness that's going on in that market right now.
It can be a little intimidating, you know?
It really can, especially if you're thinking about selling.
Exactly. And you're probably hearing all these terms thrown around like whirlwind and boom.
Right, spinning even.
Makes you wonder what's really going on.
Yeah, is it really that good of a time to sell?
That's what we're going to find out today.
Absolutely. And for anyone out there who needs to sell fast,
Like really, really fast.
we've got a solution for you.
That's right. We're experts at Sell That House to Me, and we specialize in helping homeowners in Goodyear.
Get cash for their homes.
Quickly and easily.
Yeah, no hassle.
We buy homes for cash in as little as 7 days, regardless of condition.
That's right.
So if that sounds like something you might need, head over to sellthathousehome.com.
That's sellthathouse-to-me.com.
You can learn more and get a fast, fair, no-obligation cash offer for your Goodyear home. But first, let's unpack what makes Goodyear such a hot market right now.
Okay, so our sources are saying population growth is through the roof.
Yeah, 8.5% in just 1 year. That's a lot of new people.
It is a lot, and it's not just people coming from Phoenix either.
Oh, really? So it's
Yeah.
not just spillover.
No, Goodyear has its own appeal, especially for families and retirees.
I can see that.
We're seeing amazing master-planned communities like Estrella Foothills
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that one.
and PebbleCreek,
Nice.
plus new schools popping up all the time.
Well, that makes sense with all the new families moving in.
Right, and you can't forget about the excitement of spring training at Goodyear Ballpark.
Oh, yeah, that's huge.
Big draw.
So all these people moving in must mean lots of potential buyers.
Right, I think so.
Sounds like a seller's dream come true.
It should be, but
There's a but.
there's always a but.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
Well, even in a fast-paced market like Goodyear's selling a house, the traditional way can be really tricky.
Oh, how so?
Well, first of all, you're looking at 60 to 90 days to close.
Oh, wow. That's a long time.
It is, and that's after you've dealt with all the repairs.
Oh, yeah.
Staging the house, making it look all pretty.
And don't forget about agent fees.
Oh, yeah, those can really add up.
And then there are the picky buyers.
Oh, yeah, you never know what they're going to find to complain about.
Right, they want everything to be perfect.
And even then, even if you find the perfect buyer, there's still the risk of financing falling through.
Oh, that's the word.
It really is all that time and effort for nothing.
It can be so frustrating,
Not to mention stressful.
especially when life throws you a curveball
Exactly like a job change.
or a divorce.
Maybe you inherit a property unexpectedly.
All of a sudden you need to sell, and you need to sell fast.
And that's when a cash offer can be a lifesaver.
That makes total sense. So if you're out there and you're thinking, hey, this sounds familiar,
Head over to sellthathousetomoon.com.
that's sellthathousetome.com.
Get your free cash offer today.
We work with people in all kinds of situations, and we're dedicated to making the process as smooth and stress-free as possible.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we've talked about some of the downsides of a traditional
Yeah.
sell,
So things that can go wrong.
but let's dive a little deeper into why a cash offer can be so appealing in a market like Goodyear.
All right, let's break it down.
Okay, so we know buyers are out there because we've got this huge population growth.
Right, and in a hot market like this, they're often willing to pay a premium to get the house they want.
So that's good for sellers, right?
Yeah, in theory, but it can also lead to bidding wars.
Oh, no, that sounds stressful.
It can be, and sometimes the appraisals come in low,
Oh.
which can delay the closing
Oh, wow.
or even derail the whole deal.
So even if you get a great offer, it might not actually go through.
Exactly.
That's a lot of uncertainty.
It is, but with a cash offer from Sell That House to Me, you know exactly what you're getting.
That peace of mind is so valuable.
It is, and you can close in as little as 7 days.
Wow, that's incredibly fast.
It is no waiting, no uncertainty.
And you don't have to worry about making repairs either.
Nope. We buy houses as is.
So no more scrambling to find contractors or spending your weekends fixing that leaky faucet.
You just hand over the keys and walk away.
It's that simple.
It really is.
Speaking of simple, why don't we take a closer look at some of the unique neighborhoods that make Goodyear so attractive?
Yeah, let's do it. Location is still key, even in a cash sale.
I'm ready to dive in.
Let's go. Okay, so we've talked about Goodyear's crazy growth
Yeah,
and some of the challenges of selling in a hot market.
like all the things that can go wrong.
Exactly. But now let's dive into those specific situations where a cash offer.
Can really be a game changer?
Yeah, when it's not just convenience, like.
Necessary.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm thinking about those life gusts that our source mentioned.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
what happens if you're facing foreclosure
Oh,
and you need to sell your house fast.
that's a perfect example. Foreclosure is incredibly stressful.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
And a traditional sale just doesn't offer the speed and certainty you need in that situation.
It's like you're racing against the clock.
You are. Every day that passes adds to the pressure.
And with those long closing timelines we talked about,
Right.
you could be waiting months before you see any cash.
And that's if everything goes smoothly.
Fingers crossed.
Right. But with a cash offer from sell that house to me.
We can close in as little as 7 days.
That's right. That speed can make all the difference
Wow.
in helping you avoid foreclosure and get a fresh start.
So it's not just about avoiding a financial crisis.
Right.
It's also about getting that peace of mind.
Oh, absolutely. You need that peace of mind to move forward.
No waiting for buyers, no worrying about appraisals.
No last-minute financing hiccups.
You hit the nail on the head.
That peace of mind is invaluable, especially when you're already dealing with a difficult situation.
For sure.
And it's not just foreclosures where a cash offer can shine.
Right. What about those other examples from our source, like inherited properties, job relocations, even divorce?
All life events that can trigger a need to sell quickly.
Absolutely.
So let's say you inherit a property that you can't afford to keep.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it needs major repairs or you're just not in a position to manage it.
Right.
Trying to sell it traditionally could mean months of holding costs and a lot of added stress.
Ugh, not to mention the emotional toll
Oh, yeah.
of dealing with a property that might hold difficult memories.
Sometimes the fastest way to move on is to make a clean break.
I like that, a clean break.
And for someone who's relocating for a new job, a cash offer can be the key to a smooth transition.
Oh, yeah. Imagine trying to juggle packing and moving and starting a new job,
Right.
all while trying to sell your house across state lines.
It's a logistical nightmare.
Total nightmare.
But with a cash offer, you can close on your house before you even leave.
That's a game changer.
Eliminates that added layer of stress and gives you the financial freedom to focus on your new adventure.
It's about having options,
It is.
and taking control of your situation.
Absolutely.
And that's something we're really passionate about at Sell That House to Me.
It is. We want to empower homeowners to make the best decisions for their unique circumstances.
Okay, love that.
Speaking of unique circumstances, Goodyear is known for its diverse range of neighborhoods,
Oh, yeah, we touched on those earlier.
each with its own distinct appeal. Whether you're in a golf course community like PebbleCreek
Love it.
or a family-friendly area like Estrella Foothills,
Yep.
there's something for everyone in Goodyear.
And those neighborhoods are thriving. I mean, we talked about the population boom earlier,
Right.
and that's bringing new businesses, restaurants, entertainment options to the area.
It's an exciting time to be in Goodyear, and that growth is only going to continue.
And for anyone who might be on the fence about selling,
Yeah.
it's worth remembering that a cash offer is a great way to explore your options without any pressure or obligation.
You can visit sellthathousetome.com
That's sellthathousetome.com.
to get your free cash offer today.
It's a quick and easy way to see what your house is worth and learn more about how a cash sale could work for you.
You might be surprised at how much flexibility and peace of mind it can offer.
Exactly. Okay, so we've talked about a lot of the positives of cash offers.
Yeah, the speed, the convenience, the peace of mind.
But now let's address the elephant in the room.
Okay, what's that?
Cash offers are typically below market value.
Yeah, that's true. Our source was pretty upfront about that.
So how do you address that with people who might be hesitant to accept less than they think their house is worth?
That's a fair question, and it's something we're always transparent about as cash buyers. We're looking to purchase properties at a price that allows us to renovate and resell them for a profit.
Okay, so it's not about trying to lowball sellers. It's a business model.
It is. It allows us to provide a fast and flexible service.
But you understand that selling below market value might not be the right choice for every homeowner.
Of course, it's all about weighing the pros and cons.
Right. Sometimes that slightly lower price is more than offset by the benefits of a cash sale.
Exactly.
The speed, the certainty, the convenience.
No repair costs.
It's about choosing the path that aligns with your priorities and goals.
Exactly. In some cases, getting top dollar might be the primary focus.
Right.
But for many homeowners facing life's unexpected challenges, those other factors,
Like speed and certainty.
exactly, the relief from stress, become far more valuable.
I think that's a great segue into our next topic, the emotional side of selling a house.
Oh, yeah. We've talked a lot about the financial and logistical aspects of selling.
Right, the numbers.
The numbers, but let's not forget that there are often deep emotions tied to our homes.
It's true. Our homes hold memories. They represent milestones.
Right.
And sometimes they carry the weight of difficult chapters in our lives.
And for some people, the thought of selling their home can be overwhelming, even if it's the right financial decision.
Absolutely. So how can a cash offer help navigate those emotional complexities?
Well, for one thing, it offers a sense of control instead of feeling like you're at the mercy of the market you're choosing to sell on your own terms.
You're not waiting for the right buyer to come along
Right.
or hoping that the appraisal comes in high enough.
You're making a proactive decision to move forward.
I like that.
And that sense of control can be incredibly empowering, especially during times of transition or uncertainty.
It's like taking back the reins and choosing your own path.
I love that analogy. And remember, at Sell That House to Me, we're not just focused on the transaction, we're focused on the people.
We're people.
We understand that selling a house can be an emotional journey, and we're here to support homeowners every step of the way.
So it's not just about the cash, it's about the care and empathy you bring to the process.
Absolutely. We believe in treating people with respect and understanding, and we're committed to making the experience as positive and stress-free as possible.
That's wonderful to hear. Speaking of positive experiences,
Yeah.
why don't we take a quick trip back to Goodyear
Okay.
and explore some of those unique neighborhoods that make it such a desirable place to live?
Let's do it. We've touched on Estrella Foothills and PebbleCreek, but there's so much more to discover.
I'm ready for a virtual tour. Okay, so we're back and we were talking about,
All the feels.
all the
Yeah.
feels of selling a house.
Right. It can be emotional.
Yeah, and how a cash offer can sometimes
Make things easier.
give you that sense of control
And peace of mind.
when things are already kind of,
Hectic.
yeah. Now,
And remember, a cash offer isn't just for, those tough situations we've been talking about.
no,
It's also a great option for anyone who just wants to,
keep it simple.
who values speed and convenience.
Maybe you're downsizing or moving closer to family.
Or maybe you're just ready for a change.
Exactly. Life is full of exciting twists and turns.
That's true.
And sometimes you need to sell your house quickly to take advantage of those opportunities.
Came to waste.
Right. And that's where we come in at Sell That House to Me. We help make those transitions smoother.
That's right. If that sounds good to you, head over to sellthathousetome.com.
That's sellthathouse-to-me.com to learn more and get a fast, fair, no-obligation cash offer for your Goodyear home.
It's all about having choices
Yeah,
and finding the solution that fits your lifestyle and your goals.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm really excited for that virtual tour of Goodyear.
Okay, let's do it.
We've talked about Estrella Foothills and PebbleCreek.
Right. But Goodyear has so much more to offer.
Lay it on me.
Okay, one area that's really buzzing with activity is Palm Valley.
Okay, I've heard of Palm Valley.
It's got a great mix of golf courses, residential communities, shopping centers,
Sounds nice.
and it's close to major employers like Luke Air Force Base.
Oh, wow.
So if you work there, that's a big plus.
Yeah, I bet. And the schools in Palm Valley are supposed to be really good, too.
They are. It's a great area for young families.
Perfect.
And if you're looking for a neighborhood with a strong sense of community, you should check out Goodyear Community Park.
Oh, that sounds nice.
There are always events happening there, farmers
Well-
markets, concerts, holiday celebrations.
Oh, that's fun.
It's a great way to meet your neighbors.
Yeah, definitely. And speaking of community, we can't forget about Goodyear Civic Square.
Oh, yeah. That's become a real hub for the city.
It has restaurant shops, a public library.
It's a great place to hang out.
Yeah, grab a bite to eat, enjoy that Arizona sunshine.
Absolutely. Speaking of sunshine,
We have to talk about golf.
Goodyear is home to some fantastic golf courses.
We've already mentioned PebbleCreek.
Right. But there's also Estrella Mountain Ranch Golf Club and Tuscany Falls.
Those are some serious courses.
They are perfect for both serious golfers and weekend enthusiasts.
Love that.
And if golf isn't your thing, Goodyear also has miles of hiking and biking trails,
Oh, nice.
plus several parks and lakes.
Something for everyone.
Exactly. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood, a resort-style community, or something in between.
Goodyear has it all.
It really does.
And with its location in the heart of the West Valley, you have easy access to everything the Phoenix metro area has to offer.
It's no wonder Goodyear is experiencing such incredible growth.
It's a dynamic city with a bright future.
For sure.
So if you're thinking about selling your house in Goodyear,
Yeah.
now is a great time to explore your options.
The market is hot.
It is. There's strong demand from buyers.
Whether you decide to go the traditional route or explore a cash offer,
We hope this deep dive has given you the information and insights you need.
to make the best decision for your unique situation.
And remember, if you're looking for a fast, fair, and hassle-free way to sell your Goodyear house,
We're here to help.
visit sellthathouse.com.
That's sellthathouse-to-me.com.
to get a free, no-obligation cash offer.
And learn more about how we can make selling your house a smooth and stress-free experience.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the Goodyear real estate market.
We hope you found it helpful.
We wish you all the best in your selling journey.